Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make payment on Pinduoduo for those that don't have a WeChat Pay account and also don't have an Alipay account, maybe due to region restriction or maybe due to the fact that they don't have an international passport. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a method you can use to pay on Pinduoduo, which is a pay for me option, similar to the 1688 pay for me option I showed you earlier in the previous video I made. Okay, so I'm assuming you already have a Pinduoduo account. Okay, if you don't have a Pinduoduo account, you can watch the previous video I made on how to create a Pinduoduo account, right? So you're going to open your Pinduoduo account, and when you open your Pinduoduo account, you're going to select the product you want to buy. Okay, you're going to select the product you want to buy, and after selecting the product you want to buy, you're going to click on the checkout page. Okay, just in the payment page, you're going to click on that, and when you click on that, when you get to the payment page, you're not going to be using the default payment option, which is either WeChat Pay or Alipay. What you're going to do instead is you're going to select the payment options and you're going to expand it, just like I am expanding the menu here. You're going to expand the menu, and after expanding the menu, what you're going to do is you're going to see an option there that says find WeChat friends to pay. You're going to select that option as your payment method. Okay, now after clicking on find WeChat friends to pay, you're going to click on the checkout page. Okay, and it is going to direct you to a page like this, where it is going to ask you to send this particular order to your WeChat friend. Okay, so you're going to click on that, and it is going to automatically open your WeChat account. And when it opens your WeChat account, you can now select the friend you want to pay on your behalf. Okay, you can now select the friend. So if you have a friend that has a WeChat Pay account, you can now select that friend and let that friend pay on your behalf. And if you don't have, you can simply message me and we can make that payment on your behalf and also help you ship from China to any country it is that you're shipping that product to. Okay, so that is going to be all for this video. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload another video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.